Bevel Gears. Types, processes, and applications. This video provides a comprehensive look at bevel gears. Include the following information. What is a bevel gear? Efficiency of bevel gears. Bevel gear types. Geometry and terminologies. Manufacturing processes. Applications of bevel gears. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding bevel gears. Chapter 2. How efficient are bevel gears? Common types of gears. Straight bevel gear. Spiral bevel gear. Zero bevel gear. Hypoid bevel gear. External spur gears. Internal gears. Worm gear. Factors affecting bevel gear efficiency. Several elements influence the efficiency of bevel gears, including tooth geometry and surface finish, quality of lubrication, alignment and installation, speed and load. Chapter 3. What are the different types of bevel gears? Straight bevel gears. Spiral bevel gears. Zero bevel gears. Hypoid bevel gears. Miter bevel gears. Chapter 4. What are the basic geometries and terms for bevel gears? Pinion, gear, pitch. Pitch diameter, diametral pitch, pitch angle. Pitch surface, pressure angle, shaft angle. Addendum, dedendum, total depth. Addendum angle, dedendum angle, depth of taper, clearance. Backlash, circular, normal, angular, radial, axial. Here's a table that shows how these terms connect. Straight bevel gear formulas: 20 degrees pressure angle, 90 degrees shaft angle. Spiral bevel gear formulas: 20 degrees pressure angle, 90 degrees shaft angle. Chapter 5. What are the common manufacturing processes? Gear cutting can be categorized into 4 distinct methods, summarized as follows. Face hobbing. Face milling. Powder metallurgy. Chapter 6. What are some applications of bevel gears? Bevel gears in automotives. Bevel gears in heavy equipment. Bevel gears in aviation. Bevel gears in industrial plant equipment. Bevel gears in marine transmission. Bevel gears in hand tools, drills. Planers. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right bevel gear manufacturer for your needs.